You guys love my hair bow style, so let's do a tutorial. In honor of that, I'm also wearing a bow sweater. I saw all your comments and most of you are saying I have thin hair or my hair is not too long. Girl, my hair ain't long or thick. That's all what I have. But let me show you what I used. When you don't have hair, you use other people's hair. I used 2 extensions that matches my hair color. So let's wear them. The trick to wear this hair extension is not to wear it down this way because we're gonna pull our hair up. So I'm gonna put it upside down like that. See that? It's gonna look weird, but trust the process. And now we're gonna apply the second row. I used the hair extension clips. I used the 3 clips and now 2 clips. So it's gonna be the same. Wear it upside down like that. Now I'm gonna put a bang on the side. So if you want, you can do that. If you pull all your hair up, you can do that as well. And then we're gonna gather all the hair up together like that with the extension and everything. And use a hair scrunchie. And look what we're gonna do right now. Like that. Okay. Now, it doesn't have to be perfect, okay? I'm gonna do this. Get the hair scrunchie and tie it into my hair this way. Maybe let's do one more like that. And that's it. Now, fluffy it like that. And we're gonna keep some of this hair down like that. But I'm gonna take some from the middle. Okay. And I'm gonna do that now. Look at that. Like this. See? Use a hairpin and pin it in the back like that. Now keep fluffing and play with the bow until you arrive to the style that you like. So I fixed it and I think it looks good. It looks like that from the back. Right now I'm gonna take an iron and fix my bang and those. This is the final look. Merry Christmas!